Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chukwuno Support Icon. Please, after listening, please subscribe, comment, and like. We shall be discussing legal implication of smoking in Lagos State. When we talk about smoking, we don't mean only cigarettes. Cigarettes is part of smoking. All the type of cigarettes is part of smoking. Even with your common sense, you know that smoking is harmful to the body. Once you bring something like cigarettes, it is written there boldly that smokers are liable to die young. Yes, you should know that once you are smoking, you're liable to die young. I'm not the one that wrote it. It is done by Federal Ministry of Health. You know what health is all about. You know what ministry that regulates health does. You know what they did. So that's why it is there. So what am I saying? In effect, smokers is not prohibited, but smoking in public place is prohibited according to Lagos State regulation of smoking law in Lagos State. It was done, I think, 17th August 2014. That's when the law was enacted, and it means that if you smoke in a public place, you'll be arrested and prosecuted. You know, I've noticed in Lagos that most people are ignorant of the law, and most of them don't care about law until when it comes. I want to educate you on something. If you're watching this my YouTube channel, know that something is wrong does not mean that it is legal. For instance, maybe you see someone slapping someone, or maybe you see someone urinating, or maybe you see a police taking bribe, and they think because they are doing it, that is lawful. I can now go around and be doing it. Take note that once you are arrested or once you are sued, it means once litigation is brought before you, once you are taken to court, you know if those things are right or wrong. Because it is better for you to prevent it, because prevention is better than cure, than you doing it anyhow. Once your enemies remembers you, it will be brought to court. That is time you know that thing is against the law. So you better know that something is against the law and try as much as possible within your own power to stop it. That something is against the law and people are doing it does not mean that you should follow them and be doing it. Because once you say it's brought before the law, you will suffer for it. For instance, once you talk about the smoking in the public place in Lagos State, when you talk about public means when there are more than two people. Don't mean it's not private. Opposite of public is private. Private means you. But once it is two or more people, it is public place. So if you smoke when 2 or 3 are there, you are already violating the law of smoking in Lagos State. And the punishment is 6 months imprisonment and 100,000 naira, or both, or even the judge or the court can even increase it or reduce it depending on the judge or the court that is handling the case or the matter. So what am I saying? In fact, it is better for you to stop smoking when there are 2 or 3 people. It is better irrespective of if you want to smoke, go inside your toilet or inside your bedroom, lock yourself there, smoke as you want, smoke as many things you want to smoke. Yes, maybe if you are addicted, smoke as you want to smoke. But once you come out, please do not smoke. I've seen a lot of people smoking, even in the motor, even in the public, even in outside, even in the street. It is prohibited in Lagos State. The day Lagos State Commission will remember that, everybody will go for it. Trust me, you know how government does. People will build houses where houses are not supposed to be built. You live there maybe 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, even 50 years. Whenever government remembers that house will go down. That is the law. So that someone built a house and they stay for 50 years in an illegal place does not make it legal. No, it doesn't make it legal. Once the time comes for government to take over, for them to take over and do the necessary things, they do it. It doesn't mean that people have done this person built this has to be 100 years. It is immaterial. What matters is it is against the law. That's how law sees it. In case you are watching my YouTube channel, please thank you for listening and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I still remain Chukwuno Support Icon. Please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you.